Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make some low carb keto burger bowls. I'm going to make juicy hamburgers. Then we're going to make a smoked paprika aioli, and it's going to be served with blue cheese and avocado. Super delicious. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for burger bowl. Okay, to get started on our burger bowls, I've got a pound of ground beef here, and I got this trick, I don't know, it's not really a trick, from Ina Garten, the barefoot Contessa on Food Network. She makes, it's in one of her cookbooks, it's this juiciest hamburgers. They're so good, and it uses olive oil, why can't I talk? And some Dijon mustard. There's my little spatula. There it is. Some Dijon mustard, and we are going to mix these into the burgers. So it makes for a really juicy burger, and then we're going to add in some salt, about a half teaspoon. All up there, and then we got to use our hands, mix this all up. Okay, now we gotta use our hands, mix this all up. You don't want to over mix, so just barely, just until the ingredients are incorporated, because when you over mix hamburger meat, it just gets really tough. It just makes for tougher hamburger patties. But I don't know why I guess I'm just so used to saying avocado oil now. The olive oil and the mustard gives flavor and moisture. They're just so good. So that looks good. So now we can make this into 4 hamburger patties. And I'm not a pro hamburger patty maker, so they're probably going to be all lumpy and lopsided. Okay, there's one. I'm going to make 3 more. Okay, we've got our burgers all pattied up, and now we're gonna cook our burgers in a hot skillet. I'm gonna add some avocado oil to our skillet and put them in there. I'm only gonna cook 3 right now. You don't want to crowd the pan, so you'll get a nice crust on your hamburgers. Okay, our burgers are all finished. So I'm going to put them on a plate. You got a nice crust on those. Now we can set this aside. Okay, we're going to make our smoked paprika aioli, which consists of some mayonnaise, of course. Gotta have mayonnaise for aioli. And apparently you also have to have garlic. You definitely need garlic for aioli. And then cumin. Smoked paprika, which is what gives it such amazing flavor. And some lime juice. And where's my salt? Oh, yeah. Just a little bit of salt, pinch of salt. So then we're just going to stir this up so it's all combined. Get all of the mayonnaise all incorporated. Okay, let's taste it. That's so good. I love that. Okay, one last thing we need to do for our burger bowls is peel and slice our avocado. So we've got a pretty good size avocado here. I'd say a quarter of this would be a good serving. So I'm slicing this in half. And then this part, I'm going to peel it and then slice it. I think it's just so much neater looking and easier. I say that and now I can't flip. If it's not really ripe enough, it's not going to peel easily, but this one is pretty good. It's actually peeling nicely, just like that. And now we can just slice it just like this. And if you want it to stay neat after you do your slice, you just hold the avocado piece so it doesn't stick to the knife. So just like that. Just like that. Okay, let's assemble our bowls. We've got our bowl here, and I'm going to put some of this, I'm going to put some of this butter lettuce in here. Just tear it a little bit. We don't want any of that. A little bit of lettuce. Make it look pretty. I'm going to add some avocado. And we can even drop it. Now we can even fan it and make it look pretty just like that. And put it right there. Oh my goodness, I am like so clumsy today. Then we can put one of our burgers. And what's next? Okay, we've got some tomato, some sliced cherry tomatoes. You could also, I've got some cucumbers here from another recipe. You could use those if you want. I'm not gonna. We've got some blue cheese crumbles. I'll just sprinkle some of these on here. Just a few. Get a little bit of red pepper flake just for a little bit of heat. And of course, our aioli on top of our burger. Looks fantastic. And if you wanted, you could put some olive oil and vinegar on here. And I actually was going to finish this with a little bit of crunchy sea salt. And just like that, you have a delicious burger bowl. So beautiful. And like I was saying, you could finish this with some olive oil and some vinegar if you wanted to. But let me cut into this beautiful burger. And I don't know how you like your burgers, but I like mine to be a little bit pink in the middle. And that's perfect for me. Just get some of that aioli and some blue cheese. That aioli is so good. This burger bowl is like an explosion of flavors in your mouth. You've got to try it. And if you do, let me know how you like it. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jennifervans.com and search for burger bowl. See you guys later. Bye.